You have one. Your mom has one. Your friends have one. Even your significant other has one. What is it? A personal brand stand. It's what you stand for, your way of being, your set of personality characteristics, your value position. Have you thought about yours? You probably could describe others' brand stand easier than your own. But why is that? Because most of us are more receptive to what is happening outside of ourselves rather than contemplating our own way of being. It's the way of the world these days in this frantically busy time. So rest assured, you're not alone. But I want to get you to think about your own personal brand stand, even if it's just for a moment, by asking you a few questions. Number one, what are your top 4 core values? And are you keeping them top of mind? Number two, what adjectives would you use to describe your way of being in your life? And number three, what do you want to be known for? In answering just these 3 questions, you can identify and define your unique personal brand stand. Remember, you do have one. Everybody does. And when you get conscious of it, you enable yourself to become more of it with intention, helping you be less vulnerable to whatever your external environment is throwing at you. Your personal brand stand, when clearly defined, enables you to align to it with power and confidence. This clarity can raise your vibration, keep you focused, and attract those things you truly value in life and become what you want to be known for consistently. I'm Suzanne Tulien, brand clarity expert. Thanks for watching 90 Seconds to Personal Brand Clarity. If this got your attention about your own personal brand clarity, then I invite you to check out my new book, Personal Brand Clarity, Define and Align to What You Want to Be Known For, or my self-directed online course called Ignite Your Personal Brand Presence. Thanks for listening.